Mentakasnya katnya teruk nak pra arja rupsan ketenat samar bam ke sorkar jelah rengkar bat ke company penbiang gas kalau penlong ya kejing penbenapai ba on IA ya kitendong gas baletip kum ki LPG syakilong yang ki beduk lengba ke skim Pradhan Menteri Ujala Yojana hak sen ke besau u Commissioner Sekretari ketenat sambam ke sorkar jelah u Pravin Bakshi IAS hawakran kum u kongsan ulang ba kene kan long kejing mento ya kilong yang long sem bakin apply namar ha kene ka kenti ke bamenta la kampen suk shushu ha ka baki la penkala ya ki kendon ka bakongsan banyo ya kene ke jingerap ki ba apply ki de bandan ya ka Aadhaar card bat ka sernot na orang ba shnong bat ka bank account kat kum ka khana summary ka jala Meghalaya ka don nyo pansan la kitnum yeng bat 1000 nyo spatli ki shnong kat kum ki jingkhan ki bala pendan kam ban shat jingshat da ki tendong ler ki long rio pan khat wai lak teli ki tnom yeng hendrai kum bak kapau ki ba pendan kam tiknai ka gas ban shat jingshat ki long tang san pan lai lak teli ki tnom yeng bat kene kala penlong ba ka jela Meghalaya kan long ka buduna tam hari India ban pendan kam ya ka gas na ka benta ka shat ka teu ha ki yang kisam ki officer ki bala kran ka dai ka Saloni Warma IAS director ketenat sambam u Amar Jyoti Bardaloy, Chief General LPG Indian Oil, u Supritam Bhattacharjee, Executive Director QAQA, u President Meghalaya Indani Distributor Association, u RL Blaru, u Wilayah dan Langha kene kesni.
First of all, I take this opportunity to extend my warm greetings to the IOCL team for organizing this very useful and productive press conference on a very important and flagship scheme of the ministry. It's called Pradhan Menteri Ujwala Yojana. In short, most of us know it as PMUY. So for those who don't know much about the scheme, it is a scheme by which there is provision for LPG connection to households, and we are very happy to learn that the latest tranche of Pradhan Menteri Ujwala Yojana PMUY 3.0 envisages release of 25 lakh LPG connections nationally, and in this the beneficiaries will receive free LPG connection, which includes deposit-free cylinder and pressure regulator, Suraksha hose, DGCC, which is the short form for Domestic Gas Consumer Card, waiver of administrative charges. Apart from this, the oil marketing companies, be it IOCL, be it BPCL, they will also provide LPG stove and first refill free of cost to all the beneficiaries who get enrolled under the scheme. And of course, in the course of the press briefing, you will learn more about the scheme. But in this, there are three options for the beneficiary also: 4.2 kg single bottle, 5 kg single bottle of 5 kg double bottle connection as per the need of the beneficiary. It has been made fairly hassle-free. There is no requirement for any mandatory certification like caste, SC, ST for making an application under PMUY. However, biometric Aadhaar authentication is mandatory for application of PMUY. So this is one thing which Ministry is trying to focus on very clearly in a very concerted way, so that we have maximum outreach in a transparent manner. So this is something which we'll have to share with all the potential beneficiaries. This benefit is there for all, but also it comes with mandatory need for Aadhaar. And this is not for any other purpose, but simply to do rightful targeting. Now, if you see in various ministries, Government of India, the word which is being used repeatedly is rightful targeting of genuine and eligible beneficiaries. So this is one way by which the central government ensures that benefits reach out to those people who need it, those people who are actually the beneficiaries. And there's also a special clause allowing migrant workers and households also to apply for LPG connections. And you will be happy to know that in our state, since the coverage is slightly lower as compared to other parts of the country, it's around 73.5% only, and there is scope to cover little less than 2 lakh households. So it's a great opportunity for our state. And in this, what has happened is that the targeting has been done by IOCL and BPCL jointly, and through them we'll be able to reach out to all our beneficiaries, those households who are left out. So here I would like to share just 2 more things. One is that there is need for certain documents, which, as you know, in any other government scheme there will be a need, and we have to support and we have to facilitate the process, for which there is need for photocopy of the ration card. It could be AY, PHS, non-NFSA card. We have come up with a very good clause. This is the initiative of the state government, that village headman certificate we have facilitated, and it has been approved by the supply department and the state government, and it has been made available to IOCL and all the other OMCs. So this actually helps in terms of co-option and in terms of the kind of participation we want through the village headmen and community leaders also. And of course, other things like job card, photocopy, Aadhaar card, bank account is a must, which under any circumstances is needed for most of the government schemes. And a few KYC documents, you need to have a phone number and 2 copies of passport size photo. So these are some very easy to get, easy to supply, easy to furnish documents which we all have nowadays, and I think we will not have any problem in facilitating the households to be able to get this PMUY 3.0 connections by making use of this the provisions under the scheme.